Greetings, fellow creators. At some point in our lives, we've all experienced the urge to fix something that wasn't exactly broken with a widely over engineered solution. Or perhaps you're the type of dad whose greatest joy comes from endlessly tinkering with projects, but never actually finishing them. Maybe you're a bored engineer crafting gadgets to fill the void in your life, or a holiday enthusiast searching for ways to inject excitement by making trinkets into your suburban American existence. Well, the good news is your quest for innovation and creation just got a whole lot more interesting. Introducing 3D printing, a revolutionary technology that pushes back against decades of anti repair practices, giving you the power to materialize just about anything your mind can conjure. Imagine a world where you can command a machine to create objects straight from your imagination without any additional effort. Well, that's the magic of 3D printing, where your creative ideas come to life at your fingertips. If we pique your curiosity and you're considering diving into the world of 3D printing, we're here to guide you. Say hello to the Printaneer Pro Max XL, the crown jewel in our lineup of DIY printers. This cutting edge machine equips you with all the tools needed to turn your wildest dreams into a tangible reality. Just visualize it, and this printer will create it. Our printers aren't just another addition to the market, they are a testament to quality, durability, innovation. When we build these machines, we do so with an unwavering commitment to excellence. We insist on using only the highest quality components, ensuring your printer boasts robust build quality, which translates to long service life and ease of repair. With Printaneer, you can enjoy peace of mind, knowing that your investment is built to last. Precision is the name of game, and we play it exceptionally well. We employ industry-leading automation parts to infuse our machines with a remarkable degree of accuracy, ensuring your creations are nothing short of perfection. The powerful motors in our printers guarantee smooth and reliable operation, no matter how complex your design may be. Safety is paramount. We maintain an extremely cautious approach, not only to engineering, but to your well-being too. Our components are meticulously chosen to keep you and your loved ones safe while you explore the infinite possibilities of 3D printing. But we just don't stop at innovation. We're committed to fostering a vibrant open source community. Our dedication to sharing knowledge and expertise ensures that you're never alone on your creative journey. So, if our enthusiasm for the Printaneer Pro Max XL has sparked your interest, please click the link in the description of this video and make this marvelous machine your own. Thank you for your consideration. Just in case it's still unclear, I want to clarify something. That entire bit, it was sarcasm. Uh, I have a question for all of you. How many of you saw a video similar to this, probably made by a very large corporation, and were genuinely awestruck and thought to yourself, hey, 3D printing sounds like a nice hobby. Maybe I should get into it. Only later to find out how misled you were, how expensive and time consuming this hobby would turn out, and the amount of frustration you would get just trying to get that perfect benchy. Well, if this sounds similar to you, and it most probably is, join me in this series where I create a fast, reliable printer, a printer that innovates and creates new perspective into 3D printing. Which brings us to our sponsor. I have to be honest, I wanted to create this series without a sponsor, but the cost just kept mounting to an absurd height. Thus, I had to search for a sponsor, and now you see, after that entire ad I did at the beginning, I just can't go out and select anyone. they have to meet the following criteria. They have to be linked with 3D printing. It only makes sense that if I use a product of theirs, you have to too. They have to almost have all the parts required for 3D printing. That way I can source majority of my components from them. And if you like to recreate what I'm doing, you could too. But lastly, this is by far the most important one. They have to be extremely reliable. I say this, well, because I will be building my machine with these parts and also recommending them to you too. So they have to be good at what they do. It's about having a moral compass. I cannot stress this point. They have to be good at what they do. I approached a couple of companies with this idea and presented that the challenges that their parts will be facing, and expectedly majority of them backed out. But there's always that one crazy person in the entire bunch who is willing to take up the challenge. Well, the company equivalent of that would be Pistech. I approached them with this idea and they were up to the challenge. In their own words, their products are reliable and they have nothing to worry about. They told me to put it to an extreme test, and trust me, I am going to be testing them extremely. So if you're in the market for anything related to 3D printing, Pistech probably has it. You want a motherboard? They actually have a bunch of them. You want a printer kit? They have them too. Need a bed for your printer build? You're covered. Maybe an extruder? Yep, they got them. Extrusions also have them. They're simply your one-stop shop for all your 3D printing needs. Check them out at the link of this description. Support the people who support us. This allows us to create better machines and better content for you to consume. Until next time, bye.